What's going on? Hope you guys are all having an amazing day. If you're not, remember to hit that subscribe button. But today, we're gonna be destroying some coconuts. Alright, ready? First, it's just gonna be a normal drop. That thing is thick. Oh, cracked. Call this experimento. Oh. I think it went bad. Ugh. Oh look, this is cool. I'm gonna see if I can. Ooh. I could use this as a bowl. Never. Don't think you can get away from me. Hello, Kaden.
Hello.
Children out there, it's important you know, always clean your mess. Anyways, I got about 3 more of these. These 3 are more tough than the other one. The other one was really shallow. So these ones are probably going to be harder to break. Alright guys, I have an idea for the next coconut. But I'm going to have to put it on the dirt because I'm going to drop a rock on it. And that can break our concrete. Alright, you ready? Let me focus this in. Oh! Right away. Oh, there's like 2 coconuts. There's one inside of the shell. Oh! Oh! Let's try that again. Alright, there we are. Oh, yes. Look at this good coconut. Ugh. Reminds me of that coconut butter stuff. Alright, for this coconut, I'm gonna judo chop it with this pickaxe and see how it holds up. Alright. First, I'm gonna hit it with the sharp side. Ooh. I skinned the coconut. Let's go again. Ow! Look at this. Is it just me or is that beautiful? Look at that. You can see the inside of the coconut. Alright, now I'm gonna hit it with a little bit less sharp side. Oh! Now it's just the inner coconut stuff. The white stuff. There's the, look, this is a cool little cup looking shell. Alright, for the last coconut, I'm just gonna throw it at a rock and see what that does. Ooh. Split that sucker. Oh, this one's moldy. Oh, look, it's green. Oh. How am I supposed to pick this piece up? It's all mold. This reminds me of the cheese off Diary of a Wimpy Kid. You know the cheese in the middle of the concrete that no one wants to touch? Gosh dang. Come on, just get this piece in here. In the freaking hole. There we are. The rest, you know, some bugs will eat that up. It should be good. Yeah. Alright, I found the shell when I was cleaning, and it's still pretty intact. This is the last coconut that I'll ever crush. Well, at least for a while. Oh, it's a tough one. Alright guys, this is a total of 4 coconuts. I cleaned everything up. Now let's see the satisfying done. Dang. You guys are probably wondering, like, Dylan, why'd you destroy some coconuts? It's because those coconuts were bad on the inside. As you guys could see, they were rotted. So I thought, why not have a little bit of fun with it, right? Always make sure to hit that like, subscribe button, and I'll see you guys next video.